YouTube. Got a package today. Let's see what we have. Okay. Got some performance spark plugs. ProConnect. These are the ones that they recommended for my application when I'm going with Boost. I'll be using the aftermarket ignition system too, so I didn't skip on the plugs. And I'm definitely not going to skip on the ignition wires. I'm going to open this up and see what we have. Here we are. They're high temperature resistant. They are insulated, so you won't have no feedback through your stereo or anything. And it can handle a lot of voltage and racing applications. And I got a pretty good price on it. Let me see. These are goes into the plugs. This side goes into the ignition coil itself. And there you go. Another package is coming soon. I'm still waiting on that. Until then, I see you.